Minasan, konnichiwa, J-Steel desu. Today, let's take a look at the new form of Kamen Rider Tycoon and all the cards from two new TTFC spin-off. Let's go! Number 1. Kamen Rider Tycoon meets Kamen Rider Shinobi. Story is focused on Tycoon and Shinobi. And there's a new form for Kamen Rider Tycoon. This armor is repainted from Kamen Rider Wood's ninja form into a purple color. New henshin item as well, a purple color ninja race buckle. And now let's have a look at all the cards. Sakurai Keiwa, Kamen Rider Tycoon. Sakurai Sara, Kamen Rider Hakubi. Kagura Rentaro, Kamen Rider Shinobi. Kagura Iroha, sister of Rentaro. Konjo Isamichi, Kamen Rider Hattari. Another Hattari. This new spin-off is gonna release soon, so stay tuned. Number 2. Kamen Rider PunkJack. So PunkJack Big Form is the main character of this new spin-off, and it's gonna release on 21st of May. Confirmed cards: Hareruya Win, Kamen Rider PunkJack. Ukiyo Ace, Kamen Rider Geats. Azuma Michinaga, Kamen Rider Buffa. Girori, Kamen Rider Glare. Ninamu, Kamen Rider Gazer. Tsumori. Today is 5th of May, so it is also Vice Day. Pure Mother has announced 5 new CSM today. Vice Edge, Vice Blaster, Saiga Driver, Uga Driver, and Smart Buckle. What an exciting news, huh? Okay, here are the quick updates of today, so what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Alright, so today, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for being, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Mata ne!
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play